I'm literally about to waste a gas tank just to go get gapped right now.
He's gonna put the Hellcat in 500 and see if it's faster than the side booth. What is up, boys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Tonight we're starting the video off pretty late. We're heading out to a little bit of a Mexico meetup. I'm gonna go get some runs in with the boys. So I'm taking the SRT because the Mustang still has issues with the cats, so I cannot drive it, I cannot race it. We're gonna take the SRT and just kind of have some fun with it. So here we go, heading out to meet up with the boys right now. Check this out, guys. I just hit 28,000 miles on the SRT on my way out here. I can't believe it, man. 28,000 miles. This thing has been a trooper. Not a single issue over 28,000 miles of daily driving, racing. You've seen the track. It's, you know, these cars are just amazing. So we're gonna pull up right now. The boys are waiting for us. Let's see what's good. Got the Charger boys right here. No, came to Gap Draw. That's why I came.
I already knew I already knew this was coming, bro. I knew this was coming. I was like, I literally told him before we left the gas station. I was like, yo, I'm literally about to waste a gas tank just to go get gapped right now.
Right when Rush did that, you see the color draining from his eyes.
Nah.
The sadness in his eyes is like. That's okay, bro. We don't have to race if you don't want to. I'm not here to race.
Yeah, I just came to spectate.
Yeah?
Oh,
okay.
for
sure. He's got a GoPro headset on. Holy shit, this is a really cool shot. This is actually a really nice shot. All right, guys, I'm gonna walk you through the lineup real quick. SRT 392, 5.7 Hemi, right here, Charger, and then the Daytona Hellcat, which is a 6.2 supercharged. 6.4 naturally aspirated, 5.7 naturally aspirated, and then the supercharged Daytona. Obviously this is no matchup here. You're gonna put your car in 500 horsepower mode, and you're gonna run me in 500 horsepower mode tonight?
I'll run the side with 500.
Okay, we're gonna run the two cars, and he's gonna put the Hellcat in 500 and see if it's faster than the side boo. I think it will be.
You think so?
Yeah, because you get 500, you know, but then we have the weight, so I don't know.
Right. And
then we have the 5.7 here. Also wants to get in with the side boo and kind of see what she does. He has a few mods done. What do you have done to this thing? One more time.
Pretty much everything for air, but it's not tuned. So intake, 6.4 throttle body, 392 headers, and then full exhaust system.
So what's the ultimate goal with the car?
Pretty simple setup. Cam E85 tune. Pretty much it.
Well, what's your ultimate goal, like power wise?
Probably like 420, 430 wheel.
Okay, and that's what people usually get?
Typically, yeah. With like a really good tune, you can't just pretty much get it on there.
So no bottle on it?
No bottle. You know, I heard the rumor on the street is side views on the bottle. So we'll have to see how it goes.
Okay, cool deal. Our boys getting ready to head out. Here we go.
All right, Rush, go ahead.
All right, let's go, boys. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my traction control, which I usually have to do before we race. All right, ready to go. Just make sure this shit needs to warm up. It's really cold. 500 horsepower, huh? The Hellcat's about to bully me here tonight. He is gonna bully me. Ready? 40. first run the Hellcat, the can't paddle shift 500 mode, so I gave him the hit the second time, and the SRT pretty much annihilated it pretty quickly. So I don't know if it's not really giving him 500 horsepower in that thing or just the weight, but yeah, it was no chance. Here come the Camaro and the white Charger. They're about to run it right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright boys, just pulled out of Mexico. Fun little run with the boys. Got to run the Camaro, the Charger, and the Challenger. Good shit. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and kind of wrap up the video here. We got what, 4 runs?
Yeah, 3-4 runs in.
Alright, so what do we do with it, like 30, 40s, 50s?
Yeah, 30, 40, 50. So all in all, they're pretty good runs. Obviously my car isn't tuned, but like I said, it'll probably stack up a lot better whenever I get everything tuned. But obviously the SRT and the 5.7, if you're gonna be racing the car, get the big package, boys.
Yeah?
Yeah, because all in all, if you're looking to race...
Did you see the difference though? Because I was giving you the hit and
yeah,
it was
still getting out there.
Yeah.
So
it actually surprised me. I saw you like run the Camaro. I thought you did better with him.
Yeah, it said he reeled me in after like 60 when we did a 30. I think 30 or 40, I can't remember. Yeah. But I took off at first. He still gave me the hit, and obviously still reeled me in. So.
And then you also raced. Did you guys race?
Yeah, we raced twice.
We won it like twice.
Yeah, the first time it was really close. We're neck and neck. The second time, this guy freaking goes on 1.
So you were just like,
I don't know, because like I was looking at him and he kept running. I'm like, did he just notice that I was going on 1? Or he just fucking let it go?
No, I just like a taste of the race. I'm like, all right, I'll just try to chase him down. But yeah, I literally just said 1. I couldn't even get 2.
Hear you, to be honest with you, bro. All I hear is like,
Okay.
So, and we and you ran it. The first time you ran me on 500, or twice we ran at 500.
Yeah. The only problem
and I wrecked you.
You wrecked me. Okay, the problem is I'm not able to use paddle shift.
Yeah, but I did let you go and take the hit.
Race, yeah, you still were like, you know, gapping me still. It's surprising. I said that in my video. That I was just like, dude, like 500 versus 485.
You're talking about the GT, right?
The GT?
Yeah.
No,
No,
we're talking about these two. We ran it.
Yeah, me and Rush raced here in his side booth. But your car definitely took off, dude. I was like, this guy's smiling like he did something. But honestly, I don't think he did. But I think your car's just a factory freak, dude.
Yeah, because you put it 500 horsepower mode. First time I know it wasn't fair.
What do you
Because
think about my car, bro?
Huh?
What do you think about the Camaro?
I love it. Yeah, it's a nice car. Yeah, I mean, it's good, bro.
It's
I'm
good
happy
shit.
for you. Yeah, it's your first, like, muscle car.
But overall,
our races,
the second time you put it in, what, 700 horsepower? You kicked it up to regular. The third time.
The third time it was in 700.
Yeah.
Third time.
But I thought I did pretty well for 700.
Yeah.
I actually was moving with you a little bit.
It wasn't too bad.
And then the moment we kind of just hit like higher speeds, you're just gone.
The top end was,
Disgusting.
So
that was kind of cool.
I think it was pretty good races. It was definitely.
I'm excited to see the footage. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that was kind of a little bit of a little Mexico night. 4 cars, nothing too big, nothing too crazy. Just kind of messing around, some friends, seeing what these things can do. Kind of added a Camaro to the group. I know it's not a Mopar, but I'll bring the Mustang back out next time and kind of run it with the Hellcat again. Because last time we ran, unfortunately, my cats were going out, and the stock exhaust definitely robbed me of quite a bit of horsepower. So getting a new system, and we'll get another kind of running with the Daytona here. But hope you guys enjoyed tonight's runs and tonight's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. It's your boy Rush. Catch you in the next one. Peace.